In this video, we'll talk about 8 ways to train your brain to learn faster and remember more. It's high time we started focusing on learning how to train our brain and stop spending excessive time on improving our bodies. Life is all about balance anyway. If you can go for hikes or run outside to train your endurance, or go to the gym to train your muscles, you should also be eager to train your brain. Do you even know that you have several benefits to enjoy when you train your brain? Well, you do. And some of the benefits you stand to enjoy will include avoiding diseases that hit you as you get older, finding it easy to pick up a new language or a new skill, being a faster learner in all sorts of different skills, and avoiding embarrassing situations because you cannot remember the face or name of a person. As you now understand the need to improve your cognitive skills and train your brain, here are some tips that can help you to learn faster and remember more. Number 1, work your memory. A great way to train your brain to learn faster and remember more is by working on your memory. When it boils down to doing this, you can opt in for a method that goes well with you. According to brain fitness studies, you can help to improve the function of your brain by discussing a particular thing that you wish to remember with others, and then consciously work on trying to remember that particular thing. Let's say you're trying to learn the names of your colleagues at your new place of work. Having a conversation with them and adding their names to the conversation can be very helpful. For example, let's say the name of one of your new colleagues is Josh. You can say something like, "I really love that movie, Josh." Or, "So what time do you go for lunch here, Josh?" Flexing your brain is a great way to practically train your brain. Number 2, do something different repeatedly. You'll be improving specific cognitive functions when you help your brain wire new pathways by doing something new repeatedly. Getting to learn isn't about your strength. It's about how you can cultivate with enough repetition. Whatever you may have been doing that isn't helpful, make sure you establish new habits that will help you get rid of them. Number 3, learn something new. Your brain will function better for you when you use it more. While it's recommended that you don't overwork your brain, you also don't want to leave it dormant without anything new to learn. Thus, you can choose to learn how to dance, learn a new language, or learn a new instrument. However, make sure you're first aware of your learning style if you want to learn new stuff more effectively, because with this, you'll be able to learn quicker and maximize your strengths. Number 4, follow a brain training program. There are some brain training programs that can help you to train your brain to learn anything faster, think faster, and improve your memory. You can even take advantage of these programs without stressing yourself, since it's something you can do while lazily sitting on your couch, all thanks to the internet world. Number 5, work your body. If you want to improve the fitness of your brain, you should exercise more. Moving your body can help to increase your alertness level and make you learn faster. It can as well help to create those new neural connections faster in your brain. You stand to enjoy a lot more than just 20 minutes of exercise. Number 6, spend time with your loved ones. Your mood can be lifted and you'll be able to think more clearly when you engage with loved ones and talk with others. Having meaningful relationships in your life can really help you develop optimal cognitive abilities and train your brain. Number 7, avoid crossword puzzles. To an extent, crossword puzzles can be quite helpful, but they lack the full capacity to help prevent a disease like Alzheimer's or train the brain. Of course, crossword puzzles do improve our fluency, and many of us do think of crossword puzzles when the thought of exercising our brain comes to our mind, but the reality is that they don't do much to sharpen our brain, even though they can be quite fun. However, it's advisable that you go for another activity if you're doing the puzzle for brain health and fitness, but you may go ahead if you're just doing it for fun. Number 8, eat right. The importance of eating right cannot be overemphasized. Give your brain a good boost. Dark chocolates are very nice, and they're highly recommended. Other foods that do help your brain to perform optimally in the long term include vegetables, fruits, and fish. You would also want to consider developing the habit of grabbing a bite or two of dark chocolate whenever you have something difficult to do, because chocolate contains flavanols. They do have the potency to help you learn faster and remember better because of the dopamine they produce.